Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Dear me say, me Japan say. Apart from say washable, when so. Even hospital projects, I will bet 2 years a bina ye. I'm not talking about uncompleted projects. Completed projects are. They are now also manpenye kufuado ya neso dia homa. Eshe ni munu twa homa mu keke de jefans no. Enu mpo no manpenye kufuado. Otena say ye ho last ma ebi di 2 years. Asa no ubie. Ebi mpo de ne 4th year yi mu a coronavirus aba eya bunkama for man yi so no e no de mbika ko bie. No man penyimu a wadi o man na brosa. Projects are the Ghana for taxpayers money ne bosia. Ghana for the betua de asi. Yesi awie bie kekempo no. One ma projects yi ada hosa no. Wo de wasi ye judi. Say we betimi aye 94 hospitals. University of Ghana Medical Center. O man penye kufuado ba ne ye wie phase 1. Ye de mumio ewi akire abrante ba akokora koye hu protest e ma chama general me kai pass so sasem
phase 1 wasn't it opened?
No.
President Mahama then didn't commission it.
Phase 1 I will have to check. I think it was completed then.
He commissioned
it
January 4th.
He commissioned it.
But it was not President Akufo did not operationalize it. That is the point I'm making here. It was not put to use.
If it was commissioned, that should have gone into operation. And
check why.
Me say we crumble me that even for this information. Say President Mahama we commission here 612 bed. But in 2 years, President Akufo-Addo Maya Nyusu Hospital na Magana for enya so mfaso.
Ade na dey ansem.
The Minister of Health here press conference Samre na or say hospital need standby generator. And ansem trofo joy for call. And I have the video documentary joy for ye. Omo call ya standby generator nya ba ko chama general mienu esiwo. Aban no any ligon for twemamentwe sa. 2 years went me. Bank of Ghana Hospital. Oba ye ne awia ne sa akaka krebi almost complete. What na say mani do coronavirus by answer no mo ka say ye bie dia hwe VVIP for. Hospital la President Mahama Breso ye se Ghana ni wo ye hia ni o ye sikani o betimi akomu bi no aban we dia say coronavirus ya de we aba enim sikani enim hia ni no ye de behwe mpanyufo VVIPs. It took coronavirus answer ni ye bie. Ebiem projects ni bi wo ha Mahama di ja no a ni enwie ye. Uncompleted projects are. And I'm saying mamu ye ntoaso ntino na e wo senka otoaso. Chama general no kwasem ne se wedi o men ya bro o manpenye Akufo-Addo wedi o men ya bro we ja projects ni bebre egu nwura mu amfofo emene no. This week Mate say aban penyufo Minister for Health say they have not abandoned any Mahama project. Really they have not abandoned any Mahama project. For Mena Hospital a wine project a Mahama project. Uncle Kekwa kan o say President Mahama e kono na ye 85 complete just aka 15% of work penny awie. What betina kunya so if last year mu na wo 4 years 15% no ntimi nya nso so 15% untumi nya for Mena kanwuram. So for Mena is an abandoned project. Obi catch us say this government has not abandoned Mahama's health projects. See who obwa. And what is this excuse I'm hearing say and a letters of credit to be was extended? Really? Yes. Edu baby was extended letters of credit. But Samre no na project no price no akosoro. So abina no ho no na was so taking into consideration the increase in price na de keka ho. That delayed yet to abeti as abina free ho. Say ye President Mahama na tie konwa so a ye nuano ma mo for me na Kasamre mo hospital na ye wi amani pe kom. Because ultimately in 4 years ni ye 85% of work done. Ke hu sika ye 85 3 years 4 months President Mahama we wi dada. O man penye Akufo-Addo de bebie gina na gina wonye hu Kumawu Hospital. Enfofo emene no. And I won't pen crantie enka ye kan say. Samia wuku nam na open no. Amokua ne nkusie ne sanam na. Ehona wo benya dodo. The place is bushy like a forest. It has been abandoned. Okowe sika pa ye dia ye mpuntu nyuma ma Kumawu man Okɔhwɛ na nanom atena konwa wo kuma wu hene. Kasa wo kasa project we ho. A wo mampanya Kufuado ne na abenya yi n'ani a. Wo se be fem. So Kumawu is another abandoned project. Be kwai. Na President Mahama si awie. Yen sie mu fa mfidie nkogum e konfie nan o mampanya Kufuado ntumi nye. Akache Akache District Hospital is where President Mahama was rehabilitating it. Me were pictures wa ha. And nobody okohu ayese kwaye. We have more than 50 major health infrastructure projects on mampanya Kufuado. President Mahama dija no wa bandia kanwuram. Na ye me de challenge no mo dia ba no so mo nya abande Mahama project. In the next days, ye be press conference that show pictures and videos. Kroma ewo those areas ankasa na be ka omanu mu asem. Aden na wodi o man abrosa. Wanya bibia mo wase aye bono kro no. Wa hyebo district bia me ma hospital. Aka ne de oba ye one unsiye. Me upgrade one onyeye. De wa ba betu no so ebi bie we delay 2 years 3 years ebi to aso we je yaguo e na wo ma excuses na President Mahama be me ma excuses enka be bia ye ginani so o ma penya Kufuado ntiase se be bia yaduru no. It is not about talk, it is not about promises. 2016 de na oni akonwa da enti o de boshe ba ne boshe no de ba no etimi convince amanfo but enne ya bato aye ba betu a comparison of records. President Mahama said de ma ye ni also de wa ye fabra emfa boshe mra biem emfa kasade emma biem impanyufo say
NSC form
o chama general na say sisi na oba me so
empacho me sure me na me manage me time that mean him say ebe
oh chama general
who be do 8:30 anka ya man sir
no chama general who producer no pay no invite me and he the agreement was that I will cancel my arrangements and come and that he should inform you that I will be late.
It's
deliberate.
Men can say deliberate.
Obi na aba be gate crash.
Our ranking member Kwamna Minta Kando was supposed to be here no Wamba.
Yes, but we were not told, and you know that is not the arrangement we normally use. And I'm not paying yet. So
and then Pacho, I can't wait 2 minutes.
Maybe you don't want me to talk, but that's okay.
It's fine. You decide what you want to do.
The point I'm making here, they say, they have abandoned several of Mahama projects. Dance here down. And it's a unya no nwie. Now we say, Befesika, the Aswako for more. Ghana Sika na person wasting more. When you know, say, in 7 months or in 1 year, in fancy hospital, say the cheap compound required the 18 months nisi. President Mahama 4 years, OC cheap compounds brought 3,000. President Mahama hospitals are where see a teaching hospitals, a regional hospital in 4 years. And you want us to discuss what promises and the now, Chama General Mehu a certain attempt to appropriate Mahama legacy. And not the Mahokwan cry. And now Ministry of Health at the list be by. Okay, number 6. Omajiatum is a projects or my 90% Mahama projects. Omajiatum. But on person we react a crafa. Into number 6, almost say construction and completion of 5 polyclinics. Oboju, Ashamai, Botiano, Odumai, and Isigi, Samia Wuku. Catch the Minister for Health and they say project where Mahama project. Yen ye pay Sikano. Early 2016, Vamed and a yes project and we see free Austria. Chama General Yanti Bibia say, and I'm linking it to Eroges as someone Uncle Kwakubako Kano. Yakaso BSC Hospital, and the Wakope Husikaba. Only Yakaso Wesi Hospital. That's it. Because he can't DC Hospital. He can't hear the Yakwine. Gang of 4 rules. And your present Kofoni we N1 and your present Kofoni complete here. But we are dealing only N1 a present Kofo achievement because on the Pevuska. Gang of 4, even though say Professor Mills Nejo Mama be pay sika 400 million the twice on. Oh yeah, you can only take part of the credit. By your present Kofo legacy. Some projects here Modi share number 5. President Mama na pay sika. Number 11. The same thing. Polyclinics e wo ni nyina ye President Mahama. Enti mu ni bi. Erojet there no. We can see it because the last time I was telling somebody say cheap comp Erojet projects 8 in Akabomwa capacity 1,030 bed. But President Mahama the 3,000 cheap compounds or capacity here 6,000 and over because cheap compound we have 2 beds. So we can even see it. So President Kofone here Erojet we don't lose anything. But facts are facts. Mr. Baku knows to say the negotiations for Eurojet 8 projects now Wabobo Swapa West Regional Hospital keka ho ni nyina no estate President Kufuor pen. So it is true. It is true the cabinet approve here, my parliament approve here. It is true. But only so say President Mills are buying a 2010 or be sign whole contracts. Only so say in Sheshaya President Kufuor ye ni nyina no did not materialize relative to the funding for those projects. Because of Arab Spring on Waka one said. Now was say Eurojet for Nukopo Musika from Egypt into Kwa na see the Arab world. And Egypt here at the center of it into Sikanamba. Into 2012, 2 years after say na Kate Sword, ya sign contract Kate Sword. And now Dr. Bawumia Samreno running mail to President Kufuor. Oko Upper West Regional Hospital site. In fact, PCFM4 published a story no ha. And I say, hey, Mahama, see Obesi Hospital, one year at Mills. Baby, I ever see hospital, you're quiet. The story headline here: site for Upper West Regional Hospital covered by WIS. Now, what kind of story now? Or the Soboni, you know, at Mills, President Mahama, Samusi Obesi Hospital, Munya, Sikenti, Wayon Fufua. Today, you want to take part of that credit? We actually know. John Mahama buying, and in 2014. Otimi issue the necessary promissory notes. Just a guarantee. Emma Eurojet for Timi Kope Sika at the Bay projects. No. So say, what can Eurojet project? Oh, Chama, what can Eurojet project? You can say so. President Kufuor initiated it, started the negotiations, MOU cabinet, and all that. But give credit where credit is due, say. At the end of the day, the execution of the contract, the perfecting of same value for money, the issuance of promissory notes, and only the compare projects in Husika, the commencement of the project in Bibiano, President Mahama buying. And so
time check is 11:15, Peace 104.3. Yet you
Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet